Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Mr. 123. I'm here to talk about a certain thing, man. This is getting pretty ridiculous. Once again, PlayStation delayed the time that the PlayStation Store and everything is supposed to be fully restored. They delayed it again. They're pushing it to the end of this week. Now, there's been a lot of things, a lot of stuff being delayed. I understand there's a lot of stuff that they have to go through. But instead of giving us a time when the stuff is going to be set and you keep on pushing it back, Sony just keep pushing it back. What about not telling us at all? Just say, we're working on the problem and we'll keep you posted when it's up. We'll tell you the progression of where we're at. But when it comes down to as like, the store and all the other stuff, they keep saying, oh, it's going to be up on this time, it's going to be up on that time. This all they got to do is just keep their comments to themselves, because they're doing nothing. The only thing that upset for it being off for so long. So, I like Sony or whatever, but this is really getting ridiculous. It's August. I'm saying this is August. That's jacked up. This is June. Now it's June. It's the 1st of June, and I'm already saying August. I really didn't mean to say August, and I hope it don't go all the way up to August, but whatever it is, man, please, just please, stop telling us when you're going to get the store on. Just do it. Peace out.